Hello and welcome. Next I am planning to replace these register plates inside bulbs what are in here inner area, and first step is to lift up this trunk bonnet, and then when we look in that area we can see there are small bolts, and let's go to look those, because next I need to open those, and for that job we need 8mm socket, and it fits in these bolts in here. And then I open, there is 1, 2, and in that other side there is similar 1, 3 and 4 bolts what I need to open, and I started my job in here, that I take that bolt first open, and it looks like that, this bolt. There is other side, and then I open also that bolt, and actually this is nut. Now this nut is free, and there are those nuts in my hand, and then we go in this other side, and there is 1 and 2 similar bolts that I open. There is this nut and the final one, last nut. Now nut free, and then there is interesting thing that when this part is free, I can little bit move that trunk in that position in here, and now when these bolts are free I can take my hands in here, and then little bit I can lift up. It comes in, and carefully, be carefully, because this plastic cover, this is a little bit weak, and we can damage this really easily, because it is plastic is not the best. Now these are open, and the same how this cover is so that normally these lights are in that position in here. They are in, so that when I take that out they should be in that position. But now they are free because these parts are a little bit broken, and then when I move that in a little bit in that position we can look that better. Okay, and then when I take these parts out, there are those lights, and normally these lights in that position, and then this important trick. Here is this bulb, and when I rotate that in this way, there is this bulb in there, and same idea also in here. And when I rotate that, there are those bulbs, and this is easy to take out these bulbs, because this rotation is so easy that when they are in this position I need to only rotate that in that way and bulb up, and there is light. Another way is of course to open these screws, but they are rusty, and this is more complex to do, and that's, we have this way is easier. And then when we take that out I need to only a little bit pull that up, and there is this bulb, and then we go to look those new bulbs, and this is the way that when they are in their inside in that way only pull out, and it is in here. And let's go to look this closer. Okay, and here is this our old bulb, and then we need new one. And now when this my bulb is red, it is not normally red, it is like clear. And here I have new this bulb, and the size is 5 watts. Look, 5 watts, and there these are inside, and then use high quality bulbs. It is my recommendation, and use high quality brands, and this Philips is excellent brand. And then when we open this package, I rotate that in this way, and then, by the way, one final check. First check that this size is 5 watts, and then check that also this power is 12 volts in here and 5 watts. And then when I open this package, there is only pressing down, and then I little bit tap up, and there is this bulb, and I can take the bulb out. There is first one, and then I open the second one. They are in here, and then it's important to check that this my old bulb looks similar. They are similar in outer area and also this inner area, and this is scrap. And then I take 2 bulbs, and let's go to install this back. Okay, and then when I am installing these register plates bulbs back, I take this cover, and I need to only press that in down in this way. This is the idea, that I need to press this bulb down. Again I take it out and only press that it goes deeper, and then little bit pressing, and now it's fine. And then the second bulb, I take this old away, and I install this new bulb back and check that these bulbs are clean. Excellent. And then we have this cover, what is in here. Normally this cover lights are in that position. In my case this is a little bit broken, and there are some glue patent. And then I install first this bulb in here. There are those holes, and this goes and only rotation. Then I check that it is fine, and then this next bulb in here and rotation. Now they are fine, and then next step is to look that, hey, we have here these bolts, and these must go in these holes there. And then I insert these holes in there. And now this plate system is back, and then I only lift up this console, and then we check in there that there are those our bolts. They are in here, and then only final step is to take these nuts and install 4 nuts back and fasten these bolts with these friends. Okay, and then this job is done, and we can finally check that these lights are really working. And I go to this cabin area that I insert this lights on, that we can look that is there any light in there. And as we can see, there is lights on and everything is fine. Okay, and this was this information, and thank you for watching that video.